Hi, in this episode I'm talking about what you need to do to get ready to start implementing operational excellence and the steps that are needed for that. Stay tuned for more. Hi, my name is Johan Mailav. I'm the founder and CEO of Lean Dimensions International. I often meet managers, owners of business and such, who are discussing with me about operational excellence, but they feel they're not really ready yet to get started. They have things that they need to put in place first, so they become ready. My question to them is often, how do you know you're going to become ready for something you've never done before? So what are the steps you take to do that? It's not that easy to do. And sometimes there could be that the feeling is that we don't really know what we want to do and how do we get ready, and we kind of avoid it a little bit because of that. So let me tell you what you could do instead. Ask somebody, a professional company like Lean Dimensions International for example, to come in and scan your business. And make sure the business scan is about all the logical aspects of the business to run operational excellence, as well as the emotional, cultural aspects that are needed to be in place. And the combination of the two, the X and Y axis as we call it, logic X, emotion Y, and the 45-degree in between. If you do a scan like that, you will understand technically how ready you are and what gaps you have, and culturally how ready you are and what gaps you have, so do you know what you need to actually do to prepare yourself. Of course, it's not easy to make a choice around which company to go to, and there are many out there, and we are obviously ready to help you at any time. So if you recognize this and you feel that this might be an interesting thing to discuss and maybe have a scan in your business to understand this part fully, contact me. Let me talk to you about what we can do and how we can do that. It is not very abrasive in your business at all to do a scan, and it doesn't take a long time. Like and share this video, and thank you so much for listening.